Nandito ako para malaman kung saan siya dalahin tang nyo. I would like first to confirm your identity. I am Kifi Duterte. First name Kifi, last name Duterte.
Iffy? Dirty? Hugasan mo naman yan!
Kifi, why are you here? Nandito ako para malaman kung saan siya dalahin tang nyo. Akala niyo siguro, dahil ako ang bunso, I don't show up for my dad. Well, I do. Dili tama ang ginagawa niyo sa daddy ko. Gumising kayo. Wake and bake, people.
Are you gonna bake for us today?
Tanga. Kaya ako nandito to prove to you all that we succeed through our joint effort. Kailangan na to magsama-sama because we'd be stronger together. Kaya naman to my daddy, I know you're listening. Daddy, it's ganja. Be alright. Maestro, hit!